In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and edit subscribed workshop items on Steam. If you're a Steam enthusiast who's been exploring the fascinating world of mods and custom game materials, you might already be familiar with the Steam Workshop. It's a fantastic platform allowing users to share content and enhancements for their favorite games. Sometimes, however, navigating through your subscribed items can be slightly tricky, especially if you're new to the ecosystem. So, let's dive into this process step by step to help make it as clear and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open up the Steam client on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. From the main dashboard, locate and click on the Library tab at the top. This will take you into your game library, where you can see all the games that you own. Next, find the game for which you have subscribed to Workshop content. This is crucial because Workshop items are linked to specific games, so knowing which game you're working with will help streamline the process. Once you've selected the game, look for the Workshop link on the game's main page. This link will usually be on the right-hand side, perhaps under the Community Hub section. Clicking on Workshop brings you directly to the Workshop page for that specific game. Here, you'll see a variety of community-created items, maps, skins, modes, everything you may have subscribed to or wish to explore. To see your subscriptions, look for the Your Files section at the top of the Workshop page and click on Subscribed Items. This will display a list of all the Workshop items you subscribed to for that game and is the heart of managing your mods. Now, if you wish to make changes or tweaks to any of these items, there are certain steps you should follow. Select an item from your subscribed list and click on it. This action will open a detailed page for that particular Workshop item. Generally, you won't be able to edit items directly through Steam if it's not your own creation. However, if it's your own mod and you're familiar with modding tools, or if the creator has provided the necessary files and permissions, you can download and modify them on your own system with appropriate software. Remember, always adhere to community guidelines and respect the original creator's rights when you make changes or redistribute content. With Steam, when you're ready to play using your edited item, just restart your game, and Steam will typically update any changes automatically. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to find and manage your Workshop subscriptions on Steam. We hope this helps you in enhancing your gaming experience. Happy gaming, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.